Oo, be careful.
I can do
Kita
it
mo
too,
ni
Grandma.
mother ni.
Grandma, I can do it and so does Jade.
May bago na naman siya ah.
Can I show her? Jelana, can I show her, Grandma? Wow.
Ayaw naman niyang pa-share bagam ah.
Grandma, sit down here.
Pa-share mo, sabi mo, pa-share mo sa kapatid mo.
Share.
Sabi mo ah, si Julin naman, sabi mo.
Ako naman.
Oh, grandma gonna do it. Ayaw, si Julin naman daw, sabi mo. Okay now. Oo nga, maganda pag may black top na tayo. Astig. Ang galing ah. You can go fast and then break. Go fast, Jelana. Break. Go fast. Jade, fix your hair. Mother, fix mo mga yung buhok niya. Please. Oo wala na. Hindi mo na mahabol ah. Mother, itali mo nga yung buhok niyan. Oh. Oh, it turned off.
What do you say?
Hey, be nice. It's a hoverboard cart. It's a cart, hoverboard cart. Yeah. But it's good for the thingy though, for left and right kind of thing. Yeah, if you look on Amazon hover cart, it's not that. Yeah, mura lang siya. It's not that expensive. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, multifaceted. Don't forget to subscribe. Mura lang siya. Gusto mo, mother? Bilhan?
Jade. Mom, Grandma said she's gonna buy one for me and you. What? Dad, you won't share. Joanna, can I have a drink, please? I said please.
This Jade, July.
How much you bought for that?
I just bought one. In about a week, it'll be sitting like the hoverboards.
Yeah, this is just brand new because she likes it. But as soon as she's done, see, nobody's.
I'm thinking more like one of this and an e-scooter and some other stuff.
Oh, yun na nga sinasabi ng tatay niya.
That's something for all three different things.
You said different things. You said you're gonna get an
Oh, no, check it out. Maybe an e-scooter, maybe a little something or other.
different things.
There's a go-karts or something like that.
Can I get a go-kart?
We'll probably get for everybody. We'll see, because on the blacktop it'll be more fun, right? You're gonna get a basketball.
Basketball too.
Want to do a basketball hoop?
Can we get soccer goals? No one plays soccer. No one plays basketball.
Okay, Jolene's ready to go. Jade's ready to go.
I'm not ready.
Are you ready to go, baby? Or
Not
ready?
yet. Her fix.
We're gonna take Mom's car.
Jade, fix yourself
Play
na.
a little bit more.
Can I turn now, please?
I'm gonna go wash my
I said
hands.
please. Thank you. Amazing.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, Julene.
I was holding it. I did it.
Powered off.
Okay, right here. Bruh. I said it's my turn.
Okay, say goodbye, guys. Don't forget to
Like just buy it.
be nice. Thank you, guys.